Hi, in this video we will see how to install WordPress using WP Toolkit. Type SeekaHost India in browser and select the SeekaHost India website. In home page, click on Login. In the login page, enter your SeekaHost account email address and password and click on Login. Inside the client area dashboard, click on Services. There you will see the list of your packages. Just click on Manage on it. Next, click on Login to cPanel. It will redirect the page to cPanel dashboard. You can even log into the cPanel directly without accessing the client area. For that, you have to type domain name /cPanel in the browser. Enter your username and password and click on Login. Once you have logged into the cPanel, click on WordPress Management. Inside that, click on Install WordPress. You will see the installation options there. On that, click on Installation Path and the domain will be selected automatically. If you want to mention the directory, you can mention it. After that, you have to enter the website title. And you can choose the plugin and theme set. Next, you have to choose the website language. After choose the WordPress version, by default it will show the latest version of the WordPress. Next, in the WordPress administrator option, the username and password will be created automatically with the random names. If you want to modify these details, you can manually type your username and password with your email address. Next, in the database option, it will show the auto-created values for your database. If you want to change those details, you can type your name, table prefix and username for the database. The next one is automatic update settings option. There you can choose your update option for the WordPress plugins themes as per your website requirement. And finally, click on Install option. It will show the WordPress installation process step by step. Just wait for the completion. Now the WordPress installation is completed, you will see the option to install plugins in that page itself, or you can install it later also. For now, just click on No Thanks. Next, in the WP Toolkit dashboard, it will show all the management options for your website. In the plugin option, you can install and uninstall the plugins. In the theme option, you can enable and disable the theme as per your wish. In the database option, it will display the installation details of your database. Next, click on the login. It will redirect you to the WordPress dashboard in a single click. On the WordPress dashboard, you can add and edit your post, media, pages to manage your website. In the WP Toolkit, you can install and manage multiple websites also. For that, click on Install again and mention the details same as before. Once the installation is completed, you can manage your multiple websites. If this video helps you, like, comment and don't forget to share. For more information videos like this, please subscribe our channel.